decisions that were once in the hands of a few people, 3-4 people, government officials, are today in the hands of all our people. Nobody can refuse a poor man when he goes and asks for a job. Nobody can refuse a poor man when he goes and asks for the right to food. Nobody can ask any Indian, nobody can stop any Indian if he asks a question of his government. This is what the Congress party and the UPA has done over the last 10 years.
हम जमीनी अधिकरण बिल लाए और उसमें हमने गारंटी करके कहा है जितना भी गरीब व्यक्ति हो अगर उससे जमीन ली जाएगी तो उसे मार्केट रेट से 4 गुना ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा।
जब आपसे जमीन ली जाती है या ली जाती थी तो सरकार का ऑर्डर लगता था और कोई आपके घर आ जाता था, आपकी जमीन उठा के ले जाते थे। यह आपकी लड़ाई थी और मैंने आपसे वायदा किया था कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ये लड़ाई लड़ेगी, आपके साथ लड़ेगी और ये लड़ाई हम जीत के दिखाएंगे।
भूख की हिंदुस्तान में कोई जगह नहीं है और इसको हम खत्म करेंगे।
हमने गारंटी करके कह दिया कि भैया हिंदुस्तान में अगर कोई भूखा है उसे यूपीए की सरकार 1 रुपए किलो अनाज देगी, 35 किलो देगी। We gave you the RTI, we gave you the Lokpal bill, and now we want to give you something else. We have 6 bills in Parliament. The opposition has stalled Parliament for year after year. We want to give this country those bills. These bills are going to transform the fight against corruption. We have also created the right to identity, Aadhaar, so that money reaches you, the people of this country, directly. This is not a small thing. Rajiv Gandhi ji used to speak about 15 paisa. We are the first government that has actually taken action on it and is saying this money belongs to you. We are going to put it into your bank account. The single biggest step that we took, the single biggest attack on the system is called the right to information, RTI.
आरटीआई ने आपको शक्ति दी, आम आदमी को शक्ति दी और आम आदमी आज सवाल पूछ सकता है।
Nobody pressurized us to do the RTI. Nobody told us to do the RTI. The Congress party got up and said the country needs the right to information. Every single person in this country needs to know what is going on in his government. And we gave you that.
रोजगार योजना 100 दिन का रोजगार गारंटी करके हर एक गरीब नागरिक को, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, किसी भी जात का हो, किसी भी धर्म का हो, 100 दिन का रोजगार गारंटी करके दिया।